Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap.com. Let's get started. Go to Namecheap.com, link is available in the description. Click on the hosting tab and click on shared hosting. Namecheap offers 3 shared hosting plans: Stellar, Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. You can choose the one depending on your requirement, but you can also upgrade it later on. After that, you need to choose the billing cycle. I will go for the yearly one. It means I will pay once in a year, but you can also go for monthly or 2 years plan. Now choose the data center location. If your region is not mentioned, then don't worry, you can choose the one which is nearest to you. Now click get started. We have added web hosting to our cart. Now it's time to add our domain. Choose new domain name and then choose new purchase. Enter your desired domain name here. Price for each extension is different, like .com is cheaper than .net. Namecheap also recommends plenty of relevant domain names with different extensions. You can go for free domain names as well. After choosing your domain, click connect to hosting and it will link your domain to your web hosting. Click on add to cart button. Now our domain is also added to the cart. You can register your domain name for 1 to 10 years. Namecheap offers you auto-renew option. If checked, then your domain and hosting will be auto-renewed next year. Now click on confirm order. And now you need to create your Namecheap account. Enter your username, secure password, first name, last name and email. After putting your information, click on create account and continue. I will highly recommend you to save this information in your computer because it will be used later on to access your Namecheap account. Now it will ask you for more personal information. If you are not a company, untick the button I am registering on behalf of a company. Once you fill this information, click on continue button. From here you need to choose your payment method and complete your payments. Namecheap offers plenty of payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal and account funds. Once you are done with payment, click continue. The last step is the order step. Accept the Namecheap terms and conditions and click on pay now button to complete the order. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. Now you will receive a confirmation email that your order has been successfully received. Once your shared hosting account is activated, you will receive an email with all your hosting package details and cPanel details. You can also access your cPanel account from your Namecheap dashboard.